Missing a tooth is not fun. It can feel embarrassing to have a gap in your teeth. Missing a tooth can also be detrimental to your dental health. Here are 4 reasons why replacing a missing tooth is vital to your dental health. Teeth may shift and loosen. Teeth can drift out of place, causing a change in your bite and potential gum disease. Your face could change. Even the loss of a back tooth can cause your mouth to shift, making your face look older. It may affect your mental health. Missing tooth can affect speech patterns, which can lead to lower self-esteem. If you have a missing tooth, your dentist can help you decide which treatment is best for you. The important thing is to act quickly to maintain your healthy, beautiful smile. The quicker you take action, the quicker you can smile with confidence again. Learn more today. Visit our website